Hi everyone, another interesting question is here. 6 squared divided by 2 times 3 plus 4. First of all, according to PEMDAS, we have to sort this parenthesis, but as this is a single digit number, so we can write it as it is. 6 squared divided by 2 times 3 plus 4. Now, according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division will be solved, but before this, we have to solve exponent, because after parenthesis, we have to solve exponent. So exponent is involved. 6 squared will be equal to 36 divided by 2 times 3 plus 4. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division, if both are involved, as in this case, this is division and this is multiplication, so we have to solve the division first because it is at left. And a question which carries both division and multiplication, we have to move from left to right. It means that division is at left, so we have to solve division first. So it will become 36 divided by 2 will be equal to 18 times 3 plus 4. So 18 times 3 will be equal to 54 plus 4. So our answer will be equal to 58. Thank you.